Hey, what's up? How are you? Welcome to another tutorial here on my channel, Rhodes Studio. In this video, we will analyze this production called The Message, produced by the producer from Mexico City, Saroto, and me. We wanted to create an indie dance track with a Halloween and horror theme. Let's listen to a bit of the final result.
Your mother's in here with his girl. Would you like to leave a message? I see she if that's true, it must know my mother's maiden name. What is it? What is it?
There are many interesting synthesizers in this production. One of them is the synthesizer that accompanies the sub-bass. Pay close attention as there are two parts. For the synthesis, I used the plugin Omnisphere 2. As the first oscillator, I selected this one called Crystallizer. I activate the arpeggiator. Then I activate the filter, keeping the envelope of my filter this way. I will show you how the hard sync parameter sounds when manipulated. This parameter is being constantly modified by an LFO. If we go to the modulation section, we can see the link. The LFO is automatically moving the hard sync. And that's it. That was all I did in the synthesis. I will activate each of the audio effects so you can hear the change. Now, what happens in part 2 of this sensor, which for me is the most interesting part of sound design? There are 3 key automations. The first is the cutoff. When you open it, mid-high and high frequencies come in, and that makes it sound more aggressive. The release of the amplifier causes many of the notes to lengthen when the cutoff is opened. And finally, I also automate the hard sync. This synthesizer is accompanied by a sub-bass. The sound design of my drums is very simple. I only have 3 elements: the kick, the snare from the 909, and a top sample. In measure 41, I added that instrument. The preset is called Honey Drops. I found it very interesting because it has a tonal percussive sound. It sounds like glass percussion. I activate the audio effects. The portal effect does something very interesting in measure 49, which is a small break before re-entering the drop. Here, I selected the preset Time Traveler. Pay close attention to the portal plugin when increasing the dry-wet. The closer it gets to 100% of the dry wet of the portal, I simultaneously increase the dry wet of the reverb. In measure 57, where the drop comes in again, there are 2 synthesizers that I really liked. I find it interesting to lower the space modulator effect as the dry-wet increases.
In the main breakdown, I play the melody from The Exorcist with 2 instruments. The first is a piano.
And the second instrument that accompanies the piano is the combination of 2 instruments in one. We have instrument A and instrument B. Let's listen to each one.
Now both. Now let's put these pianos in context in the breakdown.
It was not my mother's maiden name.
Yes, we thought of adding dark voices that would participate in the thematic context of the song. One of them was this voice from the movie The Exorcist.
Your mother's in here with his cars. Would you like to leave a message? I see that she gets it.
If that's true, then you must know my mother's maiden name. What is it?
I came up with the idea of panning the dialogue to the right side and creating a deeper effect on the other side.
Your mother's in here with his cars. Would you like to leave a message? I see that she gets it.
Then you must know my mother's maiden name.
The following voice I loved for giving a good impact to the drop. During the dialogue of the Exorcist movie, we thought of creating some laughter voices in the background where we set the pitch to -12. Portal is an incredible effect. Listen to how it generates a super interesting effect with this voice sample. We activate the portal. In this case, I am using the preset Down the Tube. We have reached the end of this video tutorial. In the video description, you can find the links to purchase the Ableton project. Without further ado, see you in the next video.